My name is Ron Vallejo, and this is my Organifi story. My life was tiring from being a power lifter and from doing cardio together. I just wasn't eating well enough to put the nutrients in my body that I needed to recover correctly. There were days that I felt like I had the flu just from training and not eating the right nutrients. I noticed right away, I started with the green powder, that I had increased blood flow from taking it, just better performance, and the adaptogenitive properties in the plant helped me to recover a lot quicker. I'm on the road all the time. I'm either on a plane, going across states, or driving for hours. It's so easy to put the powder, either the travel pack, the green powder, into a water bottle and drink it, take it through the airports, whatever. The taste is gotta be one of the best green powders that I've ever tasted on the market. You only get one body. When your body fails you, it becomes a prison that you're stuck in, and your quality of life goes down. Price on your body should never be an object. You should always get the most that you can afford to put into your body. That's what I tell people.